It's Apple's worst nightmare, an ambitious new product launch beset by an unexpected flaw. That's exactly what happened earlier in July when Apple announced a surprise series of upgrades to its 13-inch and 15-inch MacBook Pro laptops, the most notable of which was the ability to add Intel's new 6-core Core i9 processor to the 15-inch MacBook Pro. Almost immediately, the first people who bought these new systems started reporting problems when they were running very intensive, particularly video encoding and video rendering tasks. They found that the high-end processors would throttle. Essentially, the processor would think that it got too hot, it would ramp down its clock speed in order to bring the temperature down, and then once it was cooler, it would go back up to its normal clock speed. Not expected behavior, especially in a very high-end, very expensive laptop. People even found that last year's model, which topped out at just a Core i7 processor, could perform some of the same tasks faster without all the throttling. People were mystified. We looked into it ourselves. Here we lined up a 2018 Core i9 15-inch MacBook Pro and the 2017 Core i7 version, set it to work doing a fairly complex task, and we saw very simply that our clock speed went up and down like crazy, ping-ponging along with the temperature on the new model, whereas on the 2017 model it remained steady, which is what you'd expect. Well, Apple now says they have investigated the issue and discovered a simple flaw, basically a software bug that was causing this throttling to happen with these high-end CPUs that actually affected every new MacBook Pro, 13-inch, 15-inch, the Core i9 models, and other models. People just saw it in the high-end Core i9 models because that's where they were trying these very intensive, very high-end tasks. So Apple now says the software bug, which affected how the thermal system worked, is being fixed with a new update that you can download now, and that should cause this problem to go away, and instead of this up and down throttling, you should have even performance just like you'd expect. We're going to download the new update as soon as we can, run some more tests on it, but that is what has been happening with Apple's new 13 and 15-inch MacBook Pros, an unexpected software bug causing CPU throttling that hopefully has been solved already.